Hi everybody, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today we're going to go through the process of downloading and assembling the SVG file for Luminaries in Cricut Design Space. If you have not obtained your Luminary SVG file, go to Etsy and search for Art Graphic Studio. Search or scroll to find the file you're looking for. I've also provided several free designs in Cricut Design Space. Directions for accessing these is toward the end of this video. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is upload the design. Go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, and find the image that you want to upload. In this case, it will be Luminaries. And I've already got the Luminary uploaded, so we'll move on. And this, when you see your file, click on it to get a green square around it, and then click on Add to Canvas on the lower right hand side. Here it is loaded on the canvas. I'm going to reduce my size a little bit so I can see it a little bit better. There we go. First thing you want to do is check your size. This square should be 4 inches square. So the best way to do that is to create a shape, a square that is 4 inches. It comes in 2 by 2, but let's go ahead and change that to 4. And then move that over top of this box to make sure it fits. And it does. So we don't need that box anymore. We'll just get rid of that. Now you've got your design here, and you're going to need to ungroup it. Once you've ungrouped it, you'll see these lines here. These lines are your score lines, and they need to be changed to score in Cricut. So go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a red box comes up. That shows you that that is indeed the score lines. Change that to score. Now connect the score lines to the base of the box. That's by clicking on the score lines, holding Shift and clicking on the box. And then go to Attach on the lower right hand side and click on Attach. Now you will see that these are the vellum inserts if you want to use them. So you can just set those to the side. Once you've got your layout done, you want to go ahead and click on Make It at the upper right hand corner. I've set my material to cardstock for intricate cuts because this has a lot of small details in this design. But I've changed the pressure to more. And then I'm going to go ahead and load the scoring wheel, score the material, and then load the fine point blade and finish cutting the project. After you've got it cut out, the first thing you want to do is to fold on the score lines. You can see the score lines here, 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 and here. Once you've got all the score lines folded, you want to go ahead and leave it flat because you'll be putting in your vellum. If you're going to use the vellum inserts, then you'll be putting those in next. I've got 2 different types of vellum. I've got one that's just plain, and you can kind of see what it's going to look like when you put it behind there. Of course, it'll go on the inside. And I also have one that's a stone style, and you can put that on there and see if that's something that you like. It's just up to you. For this project, I'm going to be using the plain vellum. I put it on my mat, and then I go ahead and roll it down to keep it nice and tight. Now we're ready to put our vellum in. So you want to turn your luminary so that the right side is down and the folded lines are up. And what you'll be doing is gluing your vellum or whatever you decide to use in each of these. And what I've done to help myself with that, keep from getting the spray glue everywhere, is I've created a template. And I just lay it over each when I get ready to spray it. And the more detail you have in your pattern, the more you're going to need to spray it down. Just a light spraying will do. I don't want to get too much. You want to be sure and keep your lines of your vellum inside your fold lines. And spray straight down so you don't get underneath it. All right, we're going to give that just a few minutes to dry. Once your project is dry, you want to go ahead and start assembling it. And the first thing you want to do is to glue this edge to this edge as such. Now you can use tape, but I found that the glue actually works better, holds better. And I use paper clips to hold it together until it dries. All right, we're going to give that a few minutes to dry. Once the edge is dry, go ahead and take your clips off and open your luminary up. This is now you want to glue your edges to the bottom. And just run a bead of glue here, here, here. Fold it over. Hold it a few minutes, or you can weigh it down. Whatever works best for you. I usually put a towel over it to make it lay down properly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now you can either display it like it is, or you can place some luminary, and of course don't put an actual candle in it. And there you are.
Thanks everyone for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects coming up. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen type my shop name, Art Graphics Studio, in the search box. At the bottom of the screen, my profile picture will come up. Click on that and my profile with all my shared projects will open. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.